Hey everyone, thanks for joining us here in the chat. This is the Market Beast. The title may be not sit well with those who are long-term and emotionally attached to this stock, so just bear with me here as I go over an explosion that we just verified. Has AMC already exploded? That's just a question. We do have targets that we want to explore on this down close. They are bullish targets, so let's go ahead and dive into what I'm seeing. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new, yes, we do explore price action on AMC. So let's get into it, shall we? So today's August the 3rd, 2021, and the previous close of AMC, $33.59, slightly negative close, 4.5% for the day. Okay. All right, so welcome back. ASMR, interesting analysis. Please have an open mind with this. If you're emotionally attached to this stock, please, please, please. Here we are. All right, so AMC explosion verified. So we basically verified an explosion. This is not saying that this is the full potential. This is not saying this is the highest the market will go. Sucks I have to explain this. We're just pointing out 148 days. Within 148 days, the market went from $1.91 all the way up to $72.62, making it an approximate increase of about 3,711% move to the upside. That is a verifiable explosion that has happened in the market. All right, so whether or not there will be another explosion, let's let the markets decide that. But let me go ahead and reveal our bullish targets. We'll leave a link, and I'll just kind of go over it here briefly. We still have a target on AMC. Remember, this is a conservative price target that it can get obliterated. And that's basically the price target as $114. I think I remember saying we have to give this market at least a good 6 months from the time of that post, like 3 to 6 months, even up to a year. So let's do that again. Let's give it a good 3 months up to a year. I know it should take less time. Look, listen, guys, I'm all for this market moving substantially higher and a lot of you making tons, if not millions, billions of dollars on this play. I'm all for it, guys. But again, I'm a market participant. I get in and out. Excuse me, we actually exited the market. And also, one last thing to let you guys know, we recently went long AMC, believe it or not. We're looking to play AMC up to, I think, like $40-something, okay, the contracts. For now, risky contracts because we are expecting to move higher here in the short term, because remember that obligation that we went over? Not advice. We didn't give advice on the last video. I know a lot of you know exactly what we went over. We just went over price action, but just kind of that one person who may have misinterpreted me as saying it as advice. No, we just went over the obligation from the buyers in order to show buying strength. The $53, that's still in the cards. August the 6th, if it doesn't happen by August the 6th, it just means that the price action that's taking place is outside of my understanding of what needs to take place in order for the sell orders to be cleared in a sufficient amount of time to show buying strength. It's hard to explain, I guess, sometimes, but just understand August 6th, $53, that's kind of the obligation from the buyers in terms of what I see in the charts. And as long as this market is well above $20, which is the technical previous level of resistance, then everything is just fine. And AMC is perfectly confined in an overall uptrend. And again, I'm saying this is bullish. Okay, on a down day, everything still looks good to me. I know a lot are probably losing their shirt out there. I know a lot of you are probably still just buying and holding. That's fine as long as you have a strategy. And that's what we've done, guys. We recently entered the market. $114 target. And that's pretty much it. On our next video, we're going to go over another time frame, but I think we'll probably wait until August the 6th to go over another time frame. Wow, excuse me. And what we're going to do is kind of explore the potential next consolidation range before the move higher. And this is all under the assumption that the market will continue to make overall higher lows above $20. Okay, but if the market starts breaking down, guys, yeah, we may have to truly, raise an eyebrow or two and dig into the charts. At least I'll dig into the charts. You guys do your fundamental research, the shorts and Citadel and, all that stuff, guys. You do that. I'm going to just stick with the candlesticks to see if this can be of some assistance, whether this is useful or not to you. I'm going to be right here, nosedived in the charts to do the best that I can to see if I can understand the levels for you, okay? So hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully you appreciate that. And that's all I have. So let's summarize this video, okay? if AMC is continuing to make higher lows, the most recent low was at about $31. So if there's price fluctuations going on above, whether it's well above or near $31, that is considered a double bottom or a higher low, which is a good sign. Okay, that is a good sign for the bulls, the buyers. Okay, so if that's taking place over the next week or two, well, this week, let's close this week out and see how this is going to happen, guys. The buyers really need to step in here. Okay, if it's above $31, it is still within an overall uptrend, whether it's looking bullish or not. Okay, because I know a lot of people are getting nervous. Well, at least some are getting nervous watching the price move down. It's still in a bullish trajectory. It's an overall uptrend. Above 31, it still looks good to me by the end of this week. And we still have price targets, triple digits. And we're long. That's the end of the video. So, yeah, the explosion has happened, guys. And we could experience another explosion at some point here as long as it's with an overall uptrend. I know I repeat myself a lot, but hopefully that summarization is good for everyone. So we'll cut out the video. So leave an appropriate thumb below the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video. If you're new, we also cover the alternative markets. If you're into Bitcoin and altcoins, so kindly subscribe to the bell, and we'll send you that information when it is available. Once again, I appreciate your time, guys. I truly appreciate every single one of you, even if you're criticizing me, constructive criticism, please. All of my loyal listeners, my fellow compadres, all of you guys, I really appreciate it. Just really want to kind of say that. And we'll talk soon. Be sure to always be kind out there, guys, all right? Keep energy positive, all right? And bye for now.